Good morning everyone. I am Ranalyn Blanca Patricio from BS EdMath 3B, and today I am presenting my geometric model, which is glow bend geometric model. This is the front and back of my geometric model. So as you can see on the front, you can see the letter GLOWBENT, which is glow bend, and at the back you can see the even numbers up to 16. So this is the element of the back of my um, geometric model. So at the front, let's see the representation from G, 1 move rotation counterclockwise, L, 2 move rotation counterclockwise, um, O, 3 move rotation counterclockwise, W, 4 move rotation counterclockwise, B, 5 move rotation counterclockwise, E, 6 move rotation counterclockwise, N, 7 rotation counterclockwise, and T for 8 move rotation counterclockwise. So this is the move from the front. So only need to do is rotate this to get the results. So at the back, we can see the 2 for vertical flip, 4 for right diagonal flip, 6 for horizontal axis opposite side, 8 for lower right diagonal flip, 10 for horizontal flip, 12 for lower left diagonal flip, 14 for vertical axis opposite side, and last 16 for left diagonal flip. So at the back of my geometric model, you only need to do is flip the model to get the results.
So our first example is G star W. So since W is our identity element and our second element is W, since ang G is do nothing, so ipupunta lang natin siya sa W and then mag-stay lang siya dyan since do nothing ang results. So G star W is W. So for our second example, B star 2. So ito yung B. Dito na tayo mag-start and then B is vertical flip. So, ang gagawin lang natin, we are going to flip it vertically. So, B star 2 is 10. And ngayon naman, 4 star 2. So, ang gagawin natin, ipupunta lang natin siya sa 4. And then, ang sabi is 10. Then, ang 10 ay flip horizontal. Then, ang gagawin natin, we are going to flip it horizontally. So, ang result is W. Next, W star T. Since our first element is W and our second element is T, ang move ng T is 8. So, we are going to rotate it counterclockwise. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, W star T is O.
So now let's check if the given table or the given set GLOWBENT 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, or the given table is associative. So we are going to rotate the table into 180 degree to check if it is associative. So this is the original form at the left side, and the right side is the 180 degree rotation of the table. And now let's interchange the column based on the original arrangement of the table. So for the first arrangement, T and L, second O and N, then third E and W, 4 and 2 and 14. Then for the fifth arrangement, we are going to interchange the 12 and the 4. And then on the 6th, we are going to interchange 10 and 6. So this is the summary results of the table. So is it associative? So the answer is yes, it is associative, since even if we rotate it 180 degree, the original is still the same. So it is the set having an identity element. So the answer is yes. The identity element of this table is the G. Is this set having an inverse element? Yes. This table has also inverse, since the identity exists. So therefore, inverse exists. So the inverse of T is L, 2 is 2. The inverse of N is O. The inverse of 4 is 2. EW 6 BB 8 and so on. So, since the binary structure is associative, it is has identity and as well as inverse. Therefore, I conclude that this binary operation or the set G8 Globant 2 4 6 6 8 10 is group. Thank you so much, everyone.